We are now on location at Jade Jungle Resorts in the jungle of Belize. That is the common area that has hammock to rest in and chairs to sit on. This is the menu for dinner today. We got a welcome drink. This is pineapple, mint, and lime. I'm excited to see more of this space and also to give you a room tour. All right, walk into the room. Where are we going? The boardwalk cabana? Yes. Okay. We're going across that bridge. All right, so we're going across this bridge. So cool, right? Ooh, the boardwalk cabanas. Ooh. All right, so this is the boardwalk cabanas, and I'll be having roommates, and they were here before, so you'll see suitcase and stuff like that. So there are four, I would say, twin size beds. Giving you the room tour in the middle of the jungle. So this is really nice. Yeah. So the thing about these group trips, these travel experiences, is that you get to meet new people, and wow, look at that. Look at the hangers. This is really nice. Really artsy. I love it. And then there's drinking water. Okay. All right, so this is the bedroom. And let me take, okay, this is the itinerary for, so this is my bed. Oops, in the corner right there. All right, let's go into the bathroom. Let's go into the bathroom. I love wood and nature, so this is perfect. But there's an open concept shower here. Look at that. Look at that. Open concept shower. Yep. That's me. You just saw me. Nice. So nice. So nice. A little bit of soap. Yeah. Nice. The shower. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. And you know what a toilet looks like already. Now I have to show you the toilet, right? But yeah, open concept shower. Right. All right. So that's the room tour, and I will try to go to other person's room and video if I am able to. But this is the room that I'll be staying in, the boardwalk cabanas. Alrighty. Alrighty. I'm so happy, right? I am so happy. That's it for the room tour, but I will be sharing more of my experience on this wellness retreat in Belize, so stay tuned. Blessed love.